Plastic is all around us. From bottles to bags, to packaging and other household products, plastic has become an integral component of our lives. But when it is no longer needed, most plastic waste is left to clog landfill spaces, rivers, and oceans that have been severely harmed as a result. Today, we will take you through the miraculous transformation of old plastic waste into wonder. The journey begins with collection. Plastic waste is sourced from homes, offices, industries, and public areas. Trucks carry the materials to the recycling plant. The actual journey begins from this point. Not all plastics are the same. They vary in types, with each type having distinctive characteristics, including PET, HDPE, PVC, polypropylene, and others. They have to be separated properly in the factory, as they can all contribute to the weakening of products when mixed together. Traditionally, the workers manually sorted the plastic items by hand, separating the bottles, containers, and so on. Now, technology has advanced to the level where it helps the workers by using infrared sensors, air jets, and optical scanners to identify the plastic materials, colors, and even the level of purity with incredible accuracy. Sorting is just the beginning. Plastic needs to be cleaned before it can be reused. Plastic is typically contaminated with dirt, food residue, oil, and/or labels. Industrial washers are used to wash the plastics in factories. Often, chemicals or detergents are added to the plastics if there are stubborn stains or inks on them. The plastics are then left soaking before being washed and repeatedly rinsed. At the end of this process, the plastic is now pure and ready to be turned into a new product, it was quoted. Clean plastic is shredded into small pieces, referred to as flakes. It is more manageable in this way and ensures even melting. Flakes have to be of the right size. Irregular-shaped flakes might cause bubbles or holes in the finished product. These new shredders produce regular flakes with exactly the same specifications, leading to positive outcomes for the succeeding processes. Some of these factories are known to recycle their plastics based on their colors and quality. Plastics that are clear can be recycled into new bottles, and those that are colored can be recycled into furniture in boxes. Thus, this selection avoids discoloration and ensures that all products appear to be clean, polished, and attractive. Then comes the stage of transformation. The plastic flakes are heated in such a way that they melt into a thick liquid consistency. After that, this liquid plastic is forced through machines known as extruders. The extruders extrude the melted plastic into the form of sheets, rods, or pellets. This form acts as raw material to manufacture various products. This process can sometimes require high temperature and accuracy to make sure that the plastic has not lost its properties. Now the plastic is molten and ready to be molded. A new shape can now be imparted to the plastic. Injection molding is the most popular molding technique. Now the molten plastic is injected inside molds made in the shape of the product, be it chairs, tables, boxes, or containers. The plastic hardens quickly in the mold and turns into a strong and hard shape. Other processes, including blow and compression molding, may also be used depending upon the product being made. Once the plastic has solidified, either machines or humans carefully extract the product from the mold without any damage being inflicted in the process. Most products have final stages. Chairs, for instance, may have molded components assembled together with screws and/or adhesives. Edges are removed, and the imprint caused by the molding process is eliminated. Some products are painted, textured, and coated for added strength and attractiveness. At the end of the process, recycled plastic products are as good as new in appearance and feel. Quality control is very important, he continued. Every chair, box, or table has to pass certain tests for sturdiness and longevity. The factories evaluate their products by applying weight, bending them, and finding out weak points or cracks. Only products that have passed those tests are packaged and shipped. That's how products made from recycled plastic are guaranteed to be safe and durable. Recycling plastics is not all about producing new things. Saving the planet can be considered the main reason for recycling plastics because recycling plastics helps in reducing the production of plastics, saves energy, and prevents pollution. By converting waste to chairs, crates, and other products, factories assist in decreasing the pressure on landfills and the oceans. This is because products made from waste not only save resources, and also provide a cleaner planet for future generations. Although there have been improvements, plastic recycling is not free from difficulties. Not all types of plastic are easily recycled. Contaminated plastic, plastic with diverse additives, or mixed plastic may not be recycled. Industries are always innovating to make processes better, use less energy, and recycle the most difficult plastics. Scientists are also working on biodegradable plastics that will further help in decreasing damage to the environment. The future of recycling is very interesting. New technology, such as recycling machines controlled by artificial intelligence and robots, is making recycling faster and more efficient. Some factories are using recycled plastic to make 3D printed objects, buildings, and advanced products. The next few decades promise a planet where plastic rubbish will near completely be reused. They are living testaments to the fact that waste could be transformed into something more spectacular and more useful.